So I am representing BenQ India. We are from Taiwan, and we are into education segment products like projectors, interactive panel, and monitors. We do manufacture in India also. In Gujarat, Kutch, we have the interactive panel manufacturing plant over there, with Make in India projects. So here I would like to just brief up about the verticals we have and how we are contributing into the education segment mostly through our Make in India products like interactive panel and projectors, as well as the private education also with the imported one. So, BenQ is a basically company from Taiwan, and as we can see, we are present over 130 countries. And in India, we are operating from last 25 years with our head office at Gurgaon. So our strength, staff strength is more than 1 lakh. 33% of the staffs are basically on R&D. So R&D is an integral part, a very core division for BenQ, because we are the OEM. We manufacture and market the product, as well as we supply the display products like monitors and all to other major display companies. Now coming to the product line, we have the interactive panel and projectors and the monitors, which cater to consumer as well as the professionals into the education segment, as well as into the IT segment also. So in the current scenario, in UP especially, we have supplied into the basic education department, in labor department also for the Atal Awas schools, and in the Uच्च Madhyamik Shiksha in Prayagraj centers. So we are quite involved into the government objective of improving the infrastructure and upgrading the technology into the education, and a lot of speakers have already talked about this. So we are jointly working in the same line as per the government goal, I can say. So interactive panel has become integral part of our education system. In each and every schools, we can see now that we started with the smart classes long way back with the projector, which used to be only displaying the PPT and all. Gradually, we moved to the interactivity with the digital panel and the projector. Now we have all-in-one device from the last 5 years, which is basically Android based and can be converted into the Windows platform also with the integration of the CPU. So this is basically the bigger version of mobile. So whatever we do with the Android mobile, it is possible to do with the interactive panel, which comes with the different sizes. So apart from the education, in the corporate segment also, for the meeting room, boardroom, this display devices interactive panel can be used along with the camera and other AV system. Then the next comes projector. Still with the schools with the low cost solution, they are looking for projector is still moving, but definitely with the integration of interactive panel, projector demand has come down. At the same time, for the consumer product also, like for the entertainment purpose, we are manufacturing the projectors. Next, we have the monitors of different categories, like for the office solution, then in education and lab, especially for the photographers and for the IT people for the coding purpose. We have designed the monitor which are especially used for the coding purpose. And these all products come with the eye care technology, which protect the eyes of the users from the blue light. Anti-glare coating is there. So all these things are there. So already I have talked about interactive panel things. So now the interactive panel is coming, as we are all aware that interactive this mobile is like Android. So interactive panel is also coming up with the Android 13 with EDLA certification. So all the applications which is possible on the mobile, now this is possible with the interactive panel and with the Google security. So this is EDLA certification, Enterprise Device Learning Agreement. So our interactive panel is more just look, it will look like a bigger version of the mobile, and all the features like you can see here of the Play Store is available there. So we are incorporating into this the classroom care, which is basically three part, like germ resistance coating is there, and we have the air quality sensors in some of the models, as well as the eye care solution, which is anti-glare, flicker-free technology is there with the panels. So again, we can see the interactive panel with the pen, remote, and the touch panel, because this is a touch device. Many students and teachers are using this. So it has stopped the spreading of germ. So this is technology is integrated with the BenQ system. So this is about the germ resistance, how it going to save. So this all claim which we are putting up, germ resistance and the anti-glare sort of things, this all is certification is given by the TUV node. So low blue light, flicker free, anti-glare. So this is how a device which does not have this kind of technology looks as compared to the BenQ one. Air quality, already I discussed that we have the panel models which display the room temperature, PM2 sensor is there, air ionizer is there. So it can display the air quality sensors parameters. So this is the air ionizer. So it senses the air quality and start purifying the air of the classroom. Then BenQ is developing the software, and which is by default we are giving it along with the panel. So these are basically the easier write whiteboard software, and we have the InstaShare for the wireless sharing. Then device management, account management software is there for the IT person who can control each and every board of the classroom, how to use these, which port is enabled or not, and what are the uses that can be monitored and the report can be run. So this was all about brief about the BenQ product. Just one thing I would like to add here, that with the service thing, we are present in India over 520 centers and across 253 districts. So we are giving the warranty and providing the service nearest around 150 to 200 kilometer radius. This service center is there. So all products warranty is basically on site. So after logging the complaint, the engineer will visit from the nearest location. Thank you very much. Thanks.